infrastructure in today's global markets, the transparency is a mantra. We are unveiling a blueprint for a traceability DPI that will ensure end-to-end visibility across value chains, enhancing food safety, export competitiveness, and consumer trust. And this is not proprietary. It is being designed as a replicable public infrastructure model for India and the entire global South. In partnership with India AI Mission, the government of Maharashtra, the World Bank, and the Wadhwani AI, we launched a global call for AI use cases in agriculture. The resulting compendium of real-world AI applications in agriculture was released in Delhi on 17th February 2026. This compendium documents successful AI deployments from Africa, Asia, Latin America, and beyond. India is convening global knowledge for the benefit of the global South. As we move towards AI for Agri 2026 in Mumbai, our vision rests on 4 pillars. Responsible governance. AI must be transparent, auditable, and explainable. Open and interoperable digital infrastructure. Innovation cannot scale in silos. Investment and scaling. Technology without capital remains just a theory, and inclusion and gender equity is also a mantra. 2026 is the International Year of Women in Agriculture. AI solutions must be designed with women farmers, not merely for them. Maharashtra today presents one of the most compelling agri-innovation ecosystems globally. 150 lakh hectares of cultivated land, diverse agroclimatic conditions, leading agriculture universities and AI research centers, a vibrant startup ecosystem, a clear regulatory framework, and single window facilitation for investors. We invite venture capital funds, impact investors, multilateral development banks, corporate innovation arms, and philanthropic foundations to partner with us. And in this partnership, we envisage scaling AI advisory platforms, co-developing traceability DPI modules, investing in agri-tech startups, supporting digital literacy, especially among women farmers, building capacity in the rural AI ecosystems. When you invest in Maharashtra, you invest in scalable solutions for engaging economies worldwide. Food security, climate resilience, and AI governance are deeply connected. Countries that master AI-enabled agriculture will secure farmer incomes and strategic stability. India has the scale, DPI, and democratic governance model to demonstrate how AI can be deployed responsibly at population scale. Maharashtra is proud to be laboratory of that ambition. Friends, this satellite session is a declaration. We will move from pilots to platforms, from fragmented data to interoperable systems, from experimentation to execution, from intention to investment. The government of Maharashtra stands ready to collaborate with the government of India, with states, with global institutions, investors, researchers, and farmer organizations. Let us ensure that AI becomes a force for food security, climate resilience, women empowerment, and shared prosperity across the global South. With this, I would like to Thank you all for listening me patiently. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.